And finally, Paul McCowan of Cincinnati, Ohio, with a POW MIA flag. 2,100 square feet of cloth and 40-pound weight. Keeps this nice and inflated here. Paul McCowan now showing me his parachute skills. Normally, as you saw with Amanda and Brian, how maneuverable these parachutes are. Well, Paul, not so much. And here he comes, trying for show center. That's a 40-pound weight. Touchdown. And there he is. All right, well done, Paul. Nice job, Paul McCowan of Cincinnati, Ohio. Thanks to the E-Team Skydivers. Another great demonstration. And you're just